Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsey. Today I'm excited to share with you my third alternative card using the June 2023 paper pumpkin kit called Welcome In. If you would like to watch me unbox the kit and create these cards, click on the playlist in the top right corner. This beautiful kit creates 9 handmade cards. There are enough supplies to make 3 of each card. Today I'm sharing with you a quick video showing how I stepped up one of the card designs in the kit. This is the original design, and this is my stepped up design. If you are new to Paper Pumpkin and are interested in getting your own monthly crafting kit, you can subscribe using the link in the description below. I would love to be your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and help you with any questions you may have about Paper Pumpkin or Stampin' Up! Products. You can contact me through my email address, which is listed at the bottom of every video in the description. So to make this card, we're going to do a lot of the same things that are already in the kit. But one thing that I want to do that was different was I wanted to separate the 2 pattern pieces so that I could use the pattern for another alternative card. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half on the score line, which is at 4 1/4 inches. And then save one side for a future card. And then we're going to just put this whole piece onto a card base of thick, basic white cardstock. Then I'm going to add it with some liquid glue. And just make sure it's going the right direction. This particular pattern does have a direction, and I'm just basing it off of the little foxes. And then smooth that out. Make sure that it's lined up nicely with that card base underneath. And so now you can get more cards using that really fun pattern because we've added it to a regular card base. So now we're just going to go ahead and follow the instructions on putting this card together. It's quite simple, and I do kind of cover all of the steps in my unboxing video since we're making this really similar to this original card from the kit. So you're going to pop out this frame, and we're going to add it to the front of the flower piece. I have added the dimensionals along the edge of the frame, and then you just line it up with the piece underneath. Like this. One of the reasons I decided to just do a stepped up version is because I really liked the way this frame looks with the card and the colors and just everything. I thought this card was done really, really well. And so I just wanted to do a couple things that were a little different to really step up the card. So next I'm going to take the vase, just like you do with the original card, and I'm going to stamp the vase image on top of the white vase with some Night of Navy ink. And again, I like to use my chipboard so that I can see the border of this vase die cut. And then nice even pressure all the way around to get a smooth image. And it will look something like this. I'm going to go ahead and add this to my card with another one of the strips. And that just goes right at the bottom of those flowers. Like that. Then you just add this to the front of your card base, and you'll get something that looks like this. So the little differences that I'm going to do, one of them is I'm going to use this balmy blue strip that came in the kit for my greeting, and I'm just going to stamp Friend in the Night of Navy on the right side. Then you're just going to take a pair of paper snips and cut a little bit on the left. And then you can reuse this for a future card if you'd like. Take a little bit of a piece of the dimensional, go ahead and add that to the left side on the side where you cut, and then you can kind of tuck that in over the vase on the left. So that's one little change from the original card. Let me show you the original card. I did use this Hello Friend on another card, so that's where we had to come up with our own greeting there. And then the other thing we're going to do that's a little different is we're going to stamp and cut out some more flowers. And so I'm using that flower stamp that comes in the kit, and I'm going to stamp and cut out 3 flowers in Daffodil Delight, and then 3 flowers in Calypso Coral. I'm just going to stamp off the color a little bit here because I'm going from a light color to a dark color. I'm not going to have any issues. So 6 more flowers that we're going to add to this bouquet on our card. So you're going to go ahead and fussy cut these out. If you did purchase the add-on dies that coordinate with the stamp set in this kit, you can of course stamp the flowers and then cut them out with those dies. Those dies also have a cute little leaf image, and you could cut out some of those leaf images with some old olive cardstock, and you could also tuck those around as well. So I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting these out. So after fussy cutting all of those out, I've added them to some glue dots, and I'm just going to go ahead and tuck them in around this bouquet. So I'm adding a Daffodil Delight one near the top. Let's do another Daffodil Delight kind of near this little bending one, and then another Daffodil Delight near the bottom of my greeting, just tucked underneath. So those are the Daffodil Delight locations. And then my Calypso Coral, I'm going to add one on the left, add one kind of right here between all those flowers, and then my last one near the bottom of the vase there. And I just think that creates a nice fuller floral image that really steps up the card. The last thing that I've added to this card are just a couple embellishments. I'm actually going to bring this one up just a little bit more. That's one nice thing I like about glue dots. So I'm just going to tuck in a little embellishment between those 2 yellow flowers, another one down a little lower, and then a third one near the top of the vase on the left side. And my card is all done. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me create this stepped up version of one of the cards from the June 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. If you're interested in getting your own Paper Pumpkin Kit, please use the link in the description box below to subscribe. If you'd like to see written instructions or close-up images on how I created this card, you can visit my blog, creativechelsey.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.